last night. They stayed overnight.
We're just docking at Southend Pier on the Waverley. There's the pier. Just having fish and chips in one of the ship's restaurants. There's Joe watching our arrival.
See it from a different angle.
Oh, you wouldn't have been queuing up yet. You started before it
Yes, it's wonderful place. Yeah.
Well, about 8 miles away, aren't we?
Yeah, we got here last night. I thought, I will have a night out in London.
Southend.
Yeah.
How about yourself? Where are you from?
You can just about see the paddle there.
Nice.
I've never been. Have you not? He has.
I went there for my primary school trip.
Oh, you would have done, yes. You would have done.
Shankman, I think it was.
I think we sat on there, I think.
Set you watched about 20 years.
The paddle.
Where's home? Oh, we
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Waverley is now in
Joe,
going ashore here at Southend, making a single passage from London. All tickets will be collected at the gangway. If you're returning on the Waverley, you'll sail with Gravesend in London, Loch Long. Trains will run from Seagoing. One way or another, at the half hour, down for the Southend Waverley. The last one to join us here will be the very busy one. Please bear in mind that the statement will say for Craigendoran, Loch Long, 40 hours, a half hour, the last one enters the pier, will bring me back down to the Waverley. We will take the walk from the train.
And we're at shore, so the paddle steamer has stopped and we're just going alongside Southend Pier. There we are, paddles have stopped. So I'm just going to go back so they don't eat my fish and chips.
I think the one we did is literally take this whole time. You got to